Hi, I'm Gabbriette, and this is my MAC Sephora haul. First thing that I got is the Greige lip liner. I tend to use this all over my face. Super pretty, cool toned. You can blend it out, use it to contour your lips. Next thing I got, Fleshpot, and it looks like this on my skin. Really slutty. I love Sleek Satin MACximal lipsticks. This one is stone. These ones are really good for your cheek. Is that cute? Okay, I had to get this next one. This is the MACstack Elevated. This curve side towards my eyelashes, baby doll style. Call it a day. Oh, I know what this is. Woo! The best foundation on the planet. MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It's gorgeous. This is another lipstick. This is the Lustreglass lipstick in Alone Time. Looks like your lips, but it's very like sultry. This is a paint pot. I'm pale right now, so this is gonna be really pretty to contour with. You can really put these everywhere. Something like that. That's what I was thinking. So go to Sephora because MAC is at Sephora finally. Woo! See you there!